What is up, guys? Danny side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Stripe account. So first, you need to head over to your Stripe account by just typing stripe.com on your browser search bar and then coming to the dashboard. After you are redirected to the dashboard, from the home section on the right side, you will see the option of setup guide. Click on that and then click on verify your business. And after that, you will see these two options. Click on complete your profile. From here, you need to enter all your details like your personal details, your business account details, what business do you do, and your payment links to make sure that you have a legitimate business and you need to use Stripe for a legitimate reason. So as you can see here, this is the business type, the business details, and the public details. And after that, you need to add your bank account. And then you need to secure your account by just entering your Stripe password. And if you want to add some extra add-ons or integrations, you can do that. And when you are done, you will be taken to the final step, which is review and submit. You can just simply review all your details that you have filled and then you can click on submit or complete button to complete your profile verification. And this is how you can verify your Stripe account. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.